Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on CSS applied visual design. And we're going to learn more about the Bezier curve and use it for the ease out keyword that describes the animation timing function. So we have the animation timing function as ease out. And with ease out, it speeds up first and then slows down at the end of it. And we can see it at the blue one. So it speeds up and it slows down. And we want to use this, create the same value of ease out using the Bezier, cubic Bezier. So this is an example of it, how they did it here in the syntax. So we know that it starts off at P0 at 0, 0, and P3 at 1, 1. So in this example, the curve moves faster through the y-axis. So it goes from 0 to 1. And that moves faster than the x-axis of 0 to 0.58. As a result, the change in the animated element progresses faster than the time of animation in that segment. So towards the end of it, it's going to switch, where the relationship between the change in x values reverse. So the y value moves from 1 to 1, no change, and x moves from 0.58 to 1, making it slower. So that's the theory, the logic behind it, and we can just apply it to this problem. So to see the effect of Bezier curve in action, change the animation time function of the element with ID of red. Here. To a cubic Bezier function of x1, y1, x2, y2 to this. And they'll make it so that they're both the same. So we can just simply copy and paste this. Paste it. And now we see it's very similar to it. And that'll be all. Thank you so much.